Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to hide chat on Instagram. We'll cover several methods to manage your direct messages, ensuring your inbox stays organized and private. First, we'll look at muting conversations, which is perfect for silencing notifications without removing the chat entirely. Then, I'll show you how restricting an account can move their messages to a separate folder, giving you more control over who can directly reach you. Let's dive in. Muting a conversation is a simple way to reduce distractions. To do this, open your Instagram direct messages. Find the chat you wish to mute, then swipe left on it. A mute option will appear. Tap it. You can then select whether to mute messages, call notifications, or both, giving you flexibility. This keeps the chat in your inbox but silences alerts, so you won't be disturbed.
Quick recommendation: all this talk about managing your digital life can be thirsty work, so remember to stay hydrated. The Owala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your drinks cold and accessible, no matter where you are. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. You'll find a link to the Owala bottle and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Restricting an account is a powerful tool for managing unwanted interactions. To restrict someone, go to their Instagram profile. Tap the three dots icon in the top right corner, then select Restrict. Their messages will then move to your message requests folder, and they won't see when you're online or if you've read their messages. This helps maintain your privacy without blocking them entirely. While Instagram doesn't have a specific archive feature for direct messages like some other platforms, you can always delete conversations. Deleting a chat permanently removes it from your inbox for you. Remember, this action is irreversible, so be sure you want to remove the conversation entirely before proceeding. It's a final step for clearing out old or unwanted message threads.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.